What's going on, beautiful people? Mercus is back bright and early. It's probably like 90 degrees outside, and I got the Prius with me right here, guys. Beautiful day to do a GoPro video, so let's hop in the car. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. We are in the Prius. It isn't, like I said, it's 93 degrees. It is hot, 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 hot. So let's just get this video started. Thank you everyone that's watching this. I really appreciate it. The love for these Prius videos are unmatched compared to my BMW. I don't know why. But I don't care. I don't care. I'm here. Let me clean it up a little bit. I just did some DoorDash, and man, I just need everyone to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you've not. I'm really trying to do this full time. Not really trying to do DoorDash anymore. Rather be making YouTube videos. So, like I said, beautiful day out, especially to make a GoPro YouTube Prius POV video. Hello. I think I'm gonna go left. Look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna go left. Hopefully no one hits me. I think we're good. Yeah, we're good, we're good. Awesome. Anyways, Prius has been awesome. I've been driving it. Air conditioning works. It's all I ask. Story time. My first car, Kia Rondo. Try to put a picture in the video for you guys. Did not have AC, and when it was 90 degrees, my goodness, you needed gallons of water to drive that thing, so you didn't pass out from heat exhaustion. But that really humbled me. That really made me grateful for having air conditioning in a car. Never take that stuff for granted. I'm listening to 21 Savage while I'm driving the Prius. But yeah, this is a nice little suburban hotspot. As you can see on my right, this is where I typically do the DoorDash. There's like a Chipotle and, you know, just your typical East Coast stores in Maryland. I got a question about where I do these videos. I currently reside in Maryland. I really want to go down to Florida, just because I consider myself a little bit conservative side, and I like Ron DeSantis. With the no lockdown and stuff, you know, always people's always out doing business, so it's a nice future about that. But not to get political. I love all my people watching this. Oh, someone's calling me. Let's make him say hey to YouTube. Oh, hello YouTube. Murdic back here with the Shermanator. We are live on the GoPro right now. I'm giving a tour of Shady Grove. Like I said, people, yeah. It's my basically is a third eye. I have a third eye on my head, correct?
What happened?
I'm making a YouTube video literally as we speak. Say hello to Shermanator.
Hello, YouTube. This is the Saab board.
This is the guy at the Saab. Go look at my BMW video, guys. I love the Prius, but you know, show the Beam some love. Oh, hello. There is a woman walking her dog.
Oh, you know what happened?
My boy is getting his brakes done by this guy I met that almost sold me a BMW but didn't. But what happened, bro?
Bro, the brake caliper that they sent us, the bolt that it goes in is stripped. That's the one they sent us.
Oh, that's gonna be a nasty review on their end. But anyways, guys, this is a beautiful road that I'm on. This is Wooten Parkway.
Bro, the new pack by Patrick Platoon got...
And let's go down Glen Mill Road. Let's see what Glen Mill Road's looking like today. Oh my God. As you can see, guys, the handling on the Prius is excellent. Very, very light steering. I think we got a... I don't even know what those two people are doing, but I'm not gonna comment. But as you can see, guys, the scenery here is beautiful. Very hot today. And if you see upcoming on my right, there is speed cameras. This is a notorious trap that is, I think, only in Maryland. I might be wrong. Comment down below if you have them in your state. But they only started in Maryland, the speed cameras. Which is cool if you live in the neighborhood. And, you know, there's a lot of people speeding, but my boy ended the call. I don't think he wanted to hear my commentary, but anyways, I really appreciate all the love and support. My Prius videos are actually racking some views. I think my second video is almost to 10,000 at the time of this recording. Look at that SL, beautiful. But like I said, guys, this is a nice little road. I don't think I've driven this particular road on YouTube yet. But I will say the gauge on my Prius is broken, the fuel gauge. It said I was empty and I went to the gas station all worried and stuff. I put in $10. That's usually gets it halfway. I think this carries 7 gallons. I'm not 100% sure how much gas this carries, but I went in there and paid the guy, said hello and all that. Went out to pump the gas, stopped at like $8. I think it was like 3 gallons. And it said I was like empty, like fuel reserve and all that. I was like flashing lights and stuff. I was like, oh my goodness. But, you know, I don't know how to fix that. I'll probably see online what I could do about it. But this is a nice little road. Look at that grandma checking the mail. These houses are huge, guys. My goodness. Yeah, but I'm getting cooked. I mean, I'm not, I will say my ethnicity. I am mixed. I am half Korean and half Caucasian. I don't know what descent of probably some European descent, but I'm not 100% sure. I have to ask my grandma. But I'm getting pretty tan. I mean, for myself speaking, I don't know the world's opinion, but for myself, I think I'm getting pretty tan. And guys, look at this corner right here. I don't know where I am. Never driven through this. There's a lot of pretty houses though. But like I said, guys, I really enjoy making these videos. Super awesome. I love the support I'm getting on these Prius videos. Wow, we're just chilling. Probably gonna do some more BMW videos too. Please go check those out. Even if you're not a BMW lover, just check out the experience. A completely different experience. It's got 230 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and it has the shift paddles. Really, it's my favorite car to drive right now. But that's the only car I've bought. This is a hand-me-down from my parents. I love them. And I think I'm gonna stop the video at the stop sign. But anyways, guys, I really appreciate the love and support I'm getting. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new. Murderkiss is out. Peace.